Shelby and Adam McDaniel here again with JeepRecyclers.com. We're going to do a quick troubleshooting video for you today. And speaking of, if you have any troubleshooting issues, challenges with your full-size Jeep project, year 63 to 91, just let us know. We're here to help you. Give us a call, give us a text, and we'll help you out.
Okay, so for the first problem that we're going to help solve is a customer's having hood release issues with a later model full-size Jeep with a Rhino grille converted to it. Okay, so essentially, just give me a little rundown of the problem. The customer has purchased a mid-80s Jeep and it's already been converted to a Rhino grille. And it's a super popular conversion. I've done it myself a ton of times. If it's done correctly, it looks really nice. So the customer is unable to release the hood. It's a pretty big problem, right? So essentially, here's the solution. All right. Now, currently installed on their Jeep is a razor-style hood latching mechanism. This is one of our restored one that we sell online here. Okay. Now, the angle of the release handle is different than the angle of the release handle on the Rhino grille. Okay, or I should say Rhino-style hood latching mechanism here. So as you can see, it's one is one angle, the other is another angle. Now, you can technically bend one, you can bend this one to make it work, but what you end up doing is you end up bending this bar, and quite frankly, you just kind of end up screwing up the latching mechanism altogether, and you end up having to switch over to this in the long term. So the easy solution is just basically pick yourself up a Rhino-style hood latching mechanism when you pick up your Rhino grill. So if you find one online, if you find one on Facebook, Craigslist, etc., make sure to ask them about the hood latching mechanism that goes along with it. So work it into your purchase. I'm sure that you can get a good deal from it. With that being said, if I can help you solve your full-size Jeep problems, just things that you're running into, you know, how to take this out, how to get that off, how to whatever, reach out. I'm here to help, guys. And if we can make a quick video to help you out, let's do it. My goal from the beginning of starting this company is to save the full-size Jeep. I've busted my tail my whole life trying to find parts to put them together, and that's it. So if I can help you guys, I'd love to. As always, thanks for the support, and thanks again for saving the full-size Jeep. All right, take care, guys.